Hello guys, in this video we are discussing a DSA question. The name of question is generate all substrings. So in this question we have a string, the name of string is Aman, and with the help of this name we write a code to generate the all substrings. Okay, the substring in front of you guys. This type of substring we can generate with the help of this name Aman. And in first line there are test cases, one test case, and the length of string is 4 here, and after that our string is given, and these substring are made by the name Aman. So you can see here, first of all we write the A, then AM, then AMA, then Aman, then we start from M, then MA, MAN, then we start from A, then AN, then at the last we write here N. So how we can generate this type of substring, guys? So I am writing the code for this. So I am importing the scanner class for the input taking. After that, public class substrings, the class name is substring, and after that we can create our main method, public static void main string args. After that we can create a scanner class object for the input taking. Scanner as is equal to new scanner, and in new scanner we are writing system.in. Okay, so this is done. Scanner class object is done. After that, what we can do here, we take the test cases, like in test case in tc's variable is equal to sc dot next int with the help of next int, because this is integer value. After that, we run a while loop or for loop for the test cases, while till test case post decrement greater than 0. Till now our while loop is run. After that, we are storing the length of the string in the n variable. Int n is equal to sc dot next int. Okay, so sc dot next int, for in the n variable we calculate the length of the string. So after that, I am writing here for the consuming the next line sc dot next line. This is for, guys, because the input is like that, like one test case. After that, like the string name is here abcd jo bhi hai. Then after the taking int, I am consuming the whole line. So the given line I am consuming, that's why I am writing here sc dot next line. Okay, so sc dot next line. So after here, what we can write here, we are storing the value in string type. String str is equal to sc dot next, because there are no any space between the string, so that's why I'm using next. So our input taking is done. So after that, what we can do here, we can simply create a for loop. And so I'm writing a for loop for int I is equal to 0 and I less than str dot length. Okay, after it I increment. So in the for loop we are writing, like we are creating a string builder. So string string builder sb is equal to new string builder. So string builder is created with the name of sb. So again we are iterating a loop for loop for int j is equal to I, and j less than, what we can write here, str dot length and j increment every time. So after that, in this, what we can write here, we append the value in string builder sb dot append, because string builder has a method append. String sb dot append str dot caret, what we can write here, j caret j, because we are in inner loop. And after that, this is done. So I am writing here this. So after that, guys, we are print this value. System.out.println SB. Every time when I am appending a single letter, writing, I am print the value also. Alt Shift F for the retier of the code. So this is the all about the generate all substring code. So you can see here, because when we iterate, the name is Aman in our question, AMAN. When we iterate like with the help of outer loop, when I is equal to 0, then we are iterating for the A, like J is also A. When I value is 0 to 1, then our J is at the M. So we are iterating from A. Then after that, that's why I am taking the J is equal to I, because the outer loop for the when we iterate like first element, then why we are again come at the first element. So that's why if the I values increase, then J values also increase. So J values depend upon the I. So that's why I am writing here. And SB string builder is as type of like string in JavaScript. So this is the all about code of this question. Generate all substring. With the help of this code, you can generate all the substring. So that's all guys. If you have any doubt, you can ask in comment sections. So if you like the video little bit, then you can like the video, and if you like more than little bit, you can subscribe the channel. So thank you so much. Let's meet in new videos.